Across the country, people are learning the limits of free speech. Some are facing some harsh consequences for social media posts about the death of conservative activist Charlie Kirk.
Here in Maine, a few employees are now under investigation for their own online comments. News 10 Maine's Alex Haskell has a closer look tonight, including what protections workers do and do not have when it comes to free speech.
Each time that someone is uttering something, there's going to be this whole range of factors that go into whether it's protected.
Carol Garvin is the legal director for the ACLU of Maine. She says employees of both public and private workplaces face limits on what they can say.
In general, public employees do have free speech rights, but those rights are not absolute.
Garvin explains public employee speech is generally protected if it's as a private citizen on a matter of public concern and doesn't disrupt the workplace.
On the other hand, if the speech is really disrespectful or derogatory, then sometimes courts say, well, that kind of speech gets lesser protection.
That reminder comes as the Maine National Guard is investigating a post about Charlie Kirk's death, saying it's, quote, aware of distasteful social media commentary from one of its members. Meanwhile, RSU 21 Superintendent Dr. Martin Grimm in Kennebunk says the district is also looking into a recent social media post allegedly made by a staff member. In a statement, Grimm says, "We are taking this matter seriously and following all appropriate procedures."
For employees speaking, particularly on social media, it is important to remember that social media kind of is instantly everywhere.
Which she says makes it far more likely to disrupt a workplace than an offhand comment to a coworker. For private employees, Garvin says the First Amendment doesn't directly apply to them, but some protections may come through union contracts or company policies. That's why she says it's best to know exactly what your workplace allows before you post something. Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.